Hi guys, on this one we've got a Power Plus POWX1365MB mini circular saw. Problem is the blade's not spinning. You see here, when I press the trigger, the blade's not moving. Obviously a problem inside the gearbox. So we're going to strip it down and have a look. Just make sure the plug's plugged out of the wall socket, and then we're just going to start by removing this cover first. Just get this button out of the way, the locking button, and then we're going to remove the circular saw itself, take the blade out, and then we've got to remove this cover, safety cover. And once that's off, all the bits of dust stuck behind the unit, we're going to remove all the screws from the body, and then remove this cover. Like so. And then that's the gearbox here. It just pulls off the end. And here you can see I've got the gearbox off. Just check the motor. This part seems okay with the helical gear, screw gear. Here I'm just spinning it, just having a look inside. It seems to be missing. So I've got to pull the gearbox apart and have a look inside. Knock this drive shaft out. And here you can see inside the gearbox, it's all dry. There's supposed to be grease in here, but it's all dry with bits of chewed up metal. And if you have a look at this side, you'll see the helical gear has worn away, and then, like I said, there's just bits of worn metal inside here. I've had a look on the internet to see if I could find it. Can't find any parts for it whatsoever. If you do, please let me know. With that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.